Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Image Creator to make AI art. So, here are the few simple steps. Step 1. Sign in and spark imagination. After logging in, it's time to let your creativity flow. Feed Bing Image Creator a prompt to bring your vision to life. Step 2. Embrace the unexpected. Click the Surprise Me button and Bing Image Creator will suggest a thought-provoking prompt for you. Step 3. Craft your masterpiece. Click on the pink Create button and watch the magic unfold. Step 4. Marvel at the results. In mere seconds, you will have a selection for mesmerizing images at a resolution of 1024 by 1024. Step 5. Choose your favorites. Click to enlarge the images, and from there, you can effortlessly download and share your chosen artworks. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.